guys, today we are gonna play Subway Surfers, and then we are gonna try to reach 100,000 100,000 number. I don't know what you call it, but let's do this. And we have a lot of revives, no keys, just you need to restart everything. So 3, 2, 1. Yes. And I'm recording with my little sister called Nara. Lucky Block. It's so slow now. Oh no! If I hit again, I'm dead. No! Hey, not fair. Today we're gonna try to reach 100,000. Jetpack! Wait a minute. Still 50,000. Right up here. Whoa, so fast. Oh, I dodged it. We need to restart. Okay, let's see what I get. 1,000. Let's go. Sa pa, dapat 100,000. Debate na. It's already been 4 minutes. Let's just buy some. We can use stuff now. We can use stuff, so yes, I like fast. What? Not fair. 24. Not fair. Nice 7 already is crazy. so laggy. What? Not fair! I don't like moving trains. I hate them. Post it. No, I missed the end. Oh no. I thought I died. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Wee. Let's do 500,000. No, I missed. Oh. Pogo stick. I missed again. I missed. So close. No! No! Let's see what I get. AI! AI Shopee. This clean reward, what's this? I promise is until 500. 500,000. Three to one. It's been 8 minutes. Middle. Let's go. Jetpack. What I got? No. I hate these shoes. No. I like 21. Okay, no more revives. I'm locking in. Oh. lost the coin. Bro, locking in. I'm not gonna revive anymore. Lock in on us. I got this. Oh. Jetpack! I'm so bad. Hey, what did I do? Yes, 200. Let's just do 300, okay? I'm not gonna make this video like long. Bro, what the hell? No, well, I want the coin. Yes. Bro, I'm so dumb. I'm left with 38 skateboards. $1,000 coins. I'm almost at 300. Let's not die. Lock in. I'm not gonna use all my keys. Please. No. I don't care. I'm finishing this battle once and for all. Please. Let's go 300. Okay. We are not gonna stop until we die. I'm not gonna die accident. Purpose. I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Oh, magnet. No. Oh, I almost died. Okay. Okay. Well, let's see what I get.